Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi guys, we are from Group 9, from International Relations Class C, from University of Sriwijaya, and we are here to talk about house demolition in Palestine, the conflict between Israel and Palestine.
Hey guys, today we are gonna talk about an issue which is kinda recent topic, or we can say it hot potato in the world. It is about house demolition in the Israel and Palestinian conflict. So let's get started, shall we? As we already know, the conflict between Israel and Palestinians began with the establishment of the state named Israel in 1948. Israel has been doing severe violations of human rights, such as shooting innocent modern children, taking their land, and destroying the homes of Palestine. Despite doing such violence, they keep doing this action. The recent action that they did is destroying Palestine homes that they claim it illegally in south region of Palestine. So, what is actually house demolition?
House demolition is primarily a military tactic which has been used in many conflicts for a variety of purposes. It has been employed as a scorched earth tactic to deprive the advancing enemy of food and shelter, or to wreck the enemy's economic and infrastructure. It has also been used for purposes of counterinsurgency and ethnic cleansing. Systematic house demolition has been a notable factor in a number of recent or ongoing conflicts, including the Israel and Palestinian conflicts and other conflicts in 90s. The destruction of homes was still going on, even though there are a lot of community around the world criticize their actions very harshly. The actual number of houses demolished in the occupied territories cannot be stated with any degree of complete certainty, as there are many conflicting claims to the correct figure. But Israel authorities estimated that more than 100 houses had been destroyed from 1967 until 1981.
In the eyes of international law, this action that was done by Israel have violated Article 53 and 33 in international law. Article 53 says that any destruction by the occupying power of real or personal property belonging individually and collectively to private person or to the state or to other public authorities or to social or cooperative organization is prohibited, except where such destruction is rendered absolutely necessary by military operation.
Meanwhile, the Article 33 says that no protected person may be punished for an offense he or she has not personally committed. Collective penalties and likewise all measures of intimidation of terrorism are prohibited. Pillage is prohibited. Reprisals against protected persons and their property are prohibited. The Palestinian Authority, or PA, has announced the Israel demolition of Palestinian homes constituted war crime based on the International Crime Court, or ICC. Referring to the United Nations Office for the Coordination of Human Affairs, or UNOCHA, report, the statement disclosed that the Israel occupation, demolition, or confiscation 617 Palestinian structures, mainly homes, in the occupied West Bank and East Jerusalem. Okay guys, I think that's all what we could tell you about house demolition in Palestine.
We're very sorry if we did some mistakes in our video. Thank you for your attention.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The destruction of homes was still going on even
It's not personality. Sanoy.
The occupying all of our
Article